So this is Bad Noise by Rachel Crone, and I'm an undergraduate at the University of Alabama. And I'm not talking about bad noise as in expletives or things people say or bad words. I'm talking about bad noise as in things that can be damaging to your hearing. One rather entertaining example of bad noise is when you're standing around and you start noticing that you're hearing something, some kind of music from somewhere, and you look over and you finally realize where that noise is coming from. It's the person next to you, and they have their iPod in, and not only are they enjoying their music, but it's so loud that now you have to listen to their music with them. And you're just wondering, how loud could that music be? Damaging noise for your ears can also be those times when you're in the car and you start playing music extremely loudly and singing along. Another really good example of bad noise is when you're in a place where it's really, really loud in the area, like when you go to a concert and your ears are just being assaulted with the speakers and the singers and the drums and all the music going on. And you have to wonder, I mean, how is this affecting your hearing? So, inside of your ear, you have these things called hair cells, and they're what allow you to hear. And by having loud noise affecting them for a prolonged period of time, you destroy them. And the problem is, they never grow back. So, you get this ringing in your ears that could be permanent or temporary, but it's because you've damaged your hair cells, and this may be affecting your hearing. You may be developing a hearing loss because of all of this loud noise, and there are 26 million people who have a hearing loss due to exposure to loud noise. So, how preventable is this kind of hearing loss due to loud noise? And it's actually 100% preventable because you have the ability to help your ears and not let them get damaged. So, what can you do? Wear earplugs around loud places and turn down the music in your car on your iPod. And seriously, if I can hear your music, it's way too loud. Just gonna throw that out there. Also, I don't want to be listening to music. I have my own music to listen to. So, protect your ears. So, protect your ears, everyone. Bye.